Hey buddy, what do you want to do today? We're going drifting today. I'm a little bit late, so I'm gonna get going. Alright, I'll explain later. Bye. Hey, what's up?
Never did a vlog before, so this will be weird. And today we're going to Evergreen Speedway to meet up with some people I met online to watch them at their track day. They're going to be drifting today, and I'm going to be filming.
Probably around like 2-ish.
Okay.
2:30.
Just have them come here first.
Technician over here, just like not wasting time.
Made it to Evergreen Speedway. There's all the cars behind me. More people are showing up, and we're gonna start drifting.
They're like set to like street. You want like, you'll probably be okay. What's it at now?
It was at like 5.
I wouldn't do it all the way because this track is rough. I would not do all the way.
All the way hard? That was all the way hard?
Yeah.
Do it like 5 clicks or 4 clicks. Are they 24 way or 30 way?
30.
I don't really know what I'm doing, man, so.
Well,
I just figured you wiping your window in slow motion might be cool.
is that your headlight button? Yeah. Dude, I was saying.
I saw these earlier.
Honestly, the fact that they're in the housing is actually fucking Too much Subaru right now.
Too much Subaru.
Too much Subaru.
Subaru. I just sent it. Sorry.
Save it for the track. I better see that then.
Yes. And gas mileage. I hear some races by the speedway. Yeah. The people are usually here.
You got the 17 intake?
Hold on. Proper Subaru with the vape inside.
Oh God.
Oh, we got an issue.
What happened?
Done blue seal. Motherfucker.
Hey, it's for the picture.
Right, a couple more drivers have just arrived. We're waiting on the EMS vehicle to get the supplies they need so they can keep us safe while we're doing a track day. So we'll get it started here in a minute. It's about 15 minutes and then I think the track's gonna be hot. Talk to you later. What's up, guys?
How's it going?
I'm Dan. Nice to meet you. I'm not driving today. I'm just gonna film you guys.
Right, sure.
Dan, nice to meet you.
Thick. Yeah, I'm not driving, but I might ask you guys for ride-alongs.
Hey, absolutely. I can't promise anything great.
Yeah, don't worry about it. For me either.
You're gonna be the best one here, dude.
Making sure your shit's tight.
Whoa! Got my media vest on. About to go take some video of these guys doing some skids. This shit is so fucking cool. Okay, next time I come, I think I'm gonna drive. Might have to. I think I'm gonna drive next event because this shit looks ridiculously fun. Walking back to the pits now. I think people are just taking a break, maybe checking out their cars, making sure they're not overheating. I don't think anybody's had any mechanical issues today, which is knock on wood. Fuck, shouldn't have said that. Go see what these guys are up to. And I need a scooter because walking on the track for this long is annoying.
You hit the rumble strip thing, is that what?
No, I went to the dirt.
I didn't see that.
Yeah,
Wanna go out right now?
It's still going straight.
Let's go right now.
Into the corner, your car's leaning like this.
Dick,
You need to just find a way.
look, I broke my helmet.
What the fuck?
Yeah.
What the fuck? Sending it too hard?
Sending it too hard or something.
Hey Ash, pop the trunk.
Oh god. Alright, she's open.
Best car mod you can do to your car. Tits! And vaginas. And butts.
And alcohol. And nicotine.
I don't know if YouTube likes this, but I do, so.
They said send boobs and vagines, so I sent boobs and vagines.
That's definitely sending nudes.
Alright, so let's get it.
Alright. Alright, so it's starting to get dark out. The lights are coming on, which is pretty cool. We got about an hour and a half left of track time, so just got done taking a little break. I think these guys are gonna get back on the track and rip it for another hour. There's Leon. We got this track day together, he organized it. Evergreen Stadium. Alright, so that's gonna do it. People are doing a couple last runs of the night for drifting, and I'm gonna go home. I want to say thanks to Leon for organizing this, and thanks to all the drivers who came out so we could come film this awesome shit. I'm gonna have to drive next time. Alright, I'll see you later.